Islanders and global viewers, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for your support. Today we will be making for you French toast, a quick and easy breakfast recipe, nothing dramatic, just 1, 2, 3, bam, and you're ready to go. Stay with me. So here are our ingredients that we'll be using. We'll be using 2 eggs, some hard dough bread slices, butter, and a little bit of cooking oil as well, almond milk, and a little salt. Okay guys, we're going to be cracking our eggs now. Alright. Did say we're using 2 eggs. Good. Now we have these little white things called the eyes. We like to remove them. You know, some persons don't, but we like to. Let me know if you were watching to see if we're going to remove the eyes. Yes, let me know in the comments. Wow. Oh, that's it. One down. And another. Oh yeah, that's it. Like I said, some people don't fuss about removing these, but I like to do it. Let me know in the comments if you like to remove these little white eyes also. Yes. Okay, we're gonna beat this gently now. Yes, and then we add a little milk now. 2 eggs, so we're just pouring about a 1/4 cup of milk. Get it nice and easy. Good. We're gonna add a little salt. Just a pinch of salt, guys. I also like to add a little cinnamon. You know, that cinnamon flavor that we like on toast or baked products. So I'm gonna just a little of my cinnamon in here, my powdered cinnamon. Be careful, you don't want to dump it all in there. Could use a little teaspoon, you know, but I'm just freestyling. All right. Yeah, ready. And just like that, we are ready to go. Heading over to the pot. Some persons like to add a little bit of sugar. You could add just about a 1/2 tablespoon of sugar in this if you like. I'm not adding any here. It's optional actually. Alright, over to the pot now. Okay, so because it's just that much easier to dip your bread in a flat container, I'm just pouring this into a flat container. Dip my bread. In the meantime, the saucepan is being warmed. Want to have that at medium heat. Okay, here we go. Our hands are clean, guys. This is why I always insist, once you're cooking, your hands must be clean, because very often your hands have to come in direct contact with your food. Now when I'm going to turn this around, because it's now wet, I'm going to just use my thumb to turn it around. Yeah, there we go. You want to ensure that the egg is covering this bread evenly and on both sides. All right, see how simple that is. Now we add in that little tip of just about a tablespoon of oil. Using some butter as well. There's our butter now. You can just move that around nicely in the pot. Get it evenly over the base. Good going. Great. that is being melted. Okay, this oil and butter is just about warm enough now. So you want it from medium to high, you don't want it too low. All right, time to add our bread now. Great. Now that's just gonna fry on each side for just about 2 minutes. You can just take a peek at it once it's brown. This saucepan is a bit wide, so as you can hold another slice, we're just putting this slice in at the same time with it. Adding a little more of our mixture. And just repeating that process. Just soaking that up. See how easy that is, guys? Very easy. Alright, so we're gonna add it to the pot because obviously this pot is wide enough to take 2 slices at a time. Alright, here we go. One more slice right here. Right here. That's it. Awesome. The first slice should be ready to be turned over now. Oh yes, it's nice and brown. Golden brown, guys. Can you see that? Yes, you can. The next side will be the same 2 minutes, just about 2 minutes. You can check it. It's ready to flip over. This one ought to be ready to be flipped also. Oh yes, it is. Great. Look at that, guys. Nice and golden brown. Okay, we're ready now. Taking a peek. Oh yes, that's ready. Ready and going out. Awesome. Should also be ready. But you're not roasting them, you just want them to be nicely golden brown. Can give this a little bit more time, this one. Alright, this one is also ready. Careful not to burn yourself. Good. Alright. Awesome. And we just repeat the process. Once more. Here we go. Here we go. Alright, here comes the other. Alright, ready to flip. Here we go. Awesome. Okay, these are ready too. Moving right along. Yeah, want to see the flip side, guys? That's it. Nice and golden brown. Okay guys, our French toast, look at it. Alright, we're gonna just be garnishing this a little bit with some apples. You can choose your fruits that you want to use to garnish it. We're using some apples and grapes. You may use some strawberries or blueberry, whatever fruits you like. Right, bananas also good for that kind of garnishing. We just drop some grapes all over here. Yeah. All right. One rolled away. Never mind. We have enough to make up. Good. Awesome. Look at this dish. It's looking so fabulous, guys, and smelling really delicious. I smell the cinnamon coming through, and now we're gonna just drizzle it a bit with a little Aunt Jemima syrup. All right, you can also use honey. Now look at that, just look at that, just look at that. Ooh, ooh. Awesome. There you have it, guys. Your French toast is ready for breakfast. I do hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please remember to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Until next time, see you. Ciao.